Hello everyone, welcome back to the series where we explore the complete AI video creation ecosystem. In this final video, we are focusing on AI workflow automation tools. These tools are used by advanced creators to automate video production pipelines. Instead of manually completing every step, automation tools allow you to connect multiple platforms together. This means videos can be generated, edited, and even published automatically. Today we will explore this category and look at tools like Zapier, N8N, and API integrations. Let's begin. First, let's talk about what workflow automation actually means. Most creators use many different tools. For example, one tool to generate scripts, another tool to create video, another tool to edit, and another tool to publish. Without automation, you must move files manually between each step. Workflow automation connects these steps together. This creates a pipeline where actions trigger automatically. Let's start with Zapier. Zapier is one of the most popular automation platforms. It allows you to connect thousands of apps without coding. You create workflows called automations that trigger when something happens. For example, when a new script is created, automatically send it to an AI video generator. When a video is finished, automatically upload it to cloud storage or publish it. Pros include ease of use and strong integrations. Cons include subscription costs and limitations for complex logic. Zapier works well for creators who want automation without heavy technical setup. Next, let's talk about N8N. N8N is a powerful workflow automation platform designed for more advanced users. It allows deeper customization and more complex logic compared to Zapier. Creators can build advanced pipelines that include AI agents, APIs, and custom processing steps. Pros include flexibility, advanced workflows, and self-hosting options. Cons include a higher learning curve and more technical setup. N8N is ideal for creators building scalable automation systems. Another important concept is API integrations. Many AI tools provide APIs that allow direct communication between platforms. This means you can build custom workflows where AI generates content, video tools create visuals, editing tools refine the output, and publishing platforms distribute automatically. API-based automation gives maximum control and scalability. However, it may require technical knowledge or developer support. So how do these tools compare? Zapier focuses on simplicity and quick automation. N8N focuses on flexibility and advanced workflows. API integrations provide full control for highly customized pipelines. Choosing the right solution depends on your technical comfort level and your automation goals. Why is this category important? Because automation transforms AI tools into complete production systems. Instead of working step by step, you create workflows that run continuously. This allows creators to scale content production, reduce repetitive work, and focus on strategy instead of manual tasks. AI workflow automation tools represent the final layer of the AI creator ecosystem. They connect all other categories together, and they enable fully automated content pipelines. As a conclusion in this series, we saw that when you look at AI video creation today, it's not just one tool, it's an ecosystem. Most creators combine multiple categories using AI for scripting, visuals, voice, editing, and automation together. Understanding these categories gives you a clear map of the AI video landscape and helps you choose the right tools for your goals. If you found this series helpful, please subscribe for more AI tool comparisons and practical workflow strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.